The Odin. Hello, hello. What's going on, everybody? Matthew from therighttrader.com. We are going to have a pretty cool live stream here today, something new. Now, what we're going to be doing here is a live trading session. And on top of that, we're going to also take a look at Bitcoin and all the good stuff. But let me just enter this trade here really quickly. We're going to start off with, this is a $10,000 account here on Fairdesk. Link to Fairdesk in the description below. We're just going to open up a slight long position to get things started here. And let's see here. We're going to set the take profit and the stop loss. I'm really excited to bring this live Bitcoin trading stream to you guys. I'm sure a lot of you will enjoy this. And we'll also take a look at, the Bitcoin price chart, all the good stuff as always, guys. So stay tuned for this now. And 1 second here. I just realized that I'm on 20x leverage. I want to bring this down to around 2x here. So there we go. Fix that down to 2x, right? We're trying to trade conservatively, trying to trade safe. And the price has already moved up a little bit from my target area right over here at around this support level, around $165. So I don't want to go in too heavy just yet. And I also, have the opportunity here to, long this more as we drop lower. Okay, so typically what I'm referring to is, if we look at the price chart here, we're currently in this range between 29,800 and 31,300. Okay, 31,300 is the top level, and then 29,800 is this lower level. And we want to, catch a potential pullback, right, and long more. Okay, so if we head down to some of these lower levels around 28,000, which is about as low as I think we'd go. Absolute most would be around 27,500, but I don't think we're actually going to see that level. So I think that at most here we're going to make a quick dip down to around 29,000 to 28,000. And then we're going to come right back up, okay? And we might not even see that dip, okay? It's possible that we just head towards the upper area of this range and get the breakout. So that's why I longed it at the level that I said here. And guys, let's see how many people on the stream. Awesome, guys. We have 5 live viewers already on the stream. Welcome, everybody. We're doing a live trading video here. So we're going to hold this trade probably for a few days here. So not necessarily going to take profits on today's live stream. It depends what happens, but this is just to show you how I go about trading, okay? And we're going to have a lot more of these soon. I have $10,000 in this account on Fairdesk, guys. Go check out my video review of Fairdesk, okay? They're an amazing exchange with no KYC required and up to 125x leverage. I'm not just saying this because they sponsored me, but they truly have an amazing platform, guys. It's a very sleek, professional platform with everything you need to have for Bitcoin futures leverage trading. And, having a powerful and clean platform like Fairdesk allows you to make powerful and good trades, okay? So make sure you're trading on a good platform like Fairdesk here. You can see I'm using a safe, conservative 2x leverage. So my risk of any type of liquidation is extremely low here. So I feel comfortable holding this trade, okay? And with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the Bitcoin price chart. So what I'm going to do in today's video is I'm going to kind of mix together my regular Bitcoin updates with a little bit of trading on the side. Okay, so we'll keep a track on how this is doing, but we're also going to go through our usual scheduled programming. And guys, also, if you have any questions about my Telegram group, okay, you may have heard me talk about this. It's something that I just launched. It is my new exclusive, The Right Trader Elite Telegram group, okay? For less than $50 a month, you get access to the best Bitcoin trading signals in the space, okay? I regularly make around 5 to 15% on trades every now and then. And let's see here. If we look at my trade here, the Right Trader crypto market signals, you can see that I don't only provide trade signals, but I also provide trading education, news, risk management, market analysis, and insights. So guys, here we have 5 different channel topics in the Telegram, okay? The amount of value I provide for the members of the Telegram group is absolutely insane, guys. I would subscribe to it myself if I could, and I really want to make this something that is worth your money, okay? So, like I said, not only are you getting, a live chat with me and other members, okay, and I'm very active in it. I answer all your questions through voice messages, whatever you guys want. But you're also getting those trade signals that I talked about, okay? Typically here, I'm guaranteeing at least 4 premium Bitcoin trade signals a month, and usually it's a lot more than that, but I want to make sure I'm giving you guys quality instead of quantity, and that's why we're targeting the best moves, 5 to 15% per trade minimum, okay? And it can be even more depending on what leverage you use. But that's not it, guys. Trading education, where I post a bunch of interesting things about patterns, news, risk management. This is where I post a bunch of pictures and content regarding risk management, how to control your risk, and of course, market analysis and insights. Okay, this is where I post my live charts. Now, the chart that we're talking about today in this live stream, okay, is Bitcoin to US dollar. We're on the 4-hour chart here, guys. We are currently very much range bound in this box that I drew here, okay? And you can see the middle area of this box where we tend to have some resistance is $30,680. A lot of people in the space are talking about a potential dip lower, but the good news, guys, is let me zoom out so you guys get a big picture of what I'm talking about, okay? If I zoom out, well, look at this, guys. We're in our cup and handle pattern. What is that? That's a bullish pattern, and our target for this pattern is all the way up here at $42,730, okay? Sorry, $42,730. So massive, massive, massive move to the upside here. From the current level, we're talking about a 40% move, okay? So what is our risk here? Well, actually, let's go ahead and draw this out, okay? We're going to check our potential upside here, 40% upside, okay? And actually, it could go even a little bit higher than that. We've talked about it going up to 45,000. But if we're just playing it very safe, $42,730, I'd say, is pretty much guaranteed here. And what is our risk, okay? So we always want to calculate the risk reward here, guys. Well, if we don't break out of the box, look at this, guys. Our risk is a percent and 1.2% risk, okay, for 40% upside, okay? Now, I just want you to realize, guys, on crypto exchanging platforms, you can trade with leverage, okay? So let's say you put 5x leverage. That means your risk for this trade would be 5%, just about a little bit over 5%, okay, 6%. But your upside, okay, is 40% times 5, okay? So, guys, this is what I'm talking about, okay? You need to be smart here. You need to understand how traders look at this, how professional traders like me look at this. And that is a risk of about 5-6% for 200% plus upside, okay? If we're using, for example, 5x leverage. That's a 200% move here with that 5x leverage. So let's just say we do get a bit more of a pullback, okay? And we go down to, you know what, let's be even very bearish here. Let's say we go down to 28,800. That would potentially lead to a bounce off this level here. Or, you know, let's be very bearish, okay? Let's say we go down all the way down to 28,500 here, okay? That's 5% risk, okay? So in this situation, what I would do personally is, you know, you never have to take leverage, but I would just tone down the leverage probably to 2x, right? Enter half now and enter half as the price goes somewhere down, let's say right around $29,000 or so right here. Yep, exactly what I predicted, $29,000. And when we would get to this level, I would enter the other half of the position, okay? Meaning that, just going to zoom in to explain this, okay? I would enter half of the trade right now, okay? So if I'm trading with $10,000, I would enter $5,000 right now. Wait till it drops down to 29,000 and I would enter the second position, okay, which means my average would probably be somewhere around 29,500 or so, and then I could catch the entire move all the way up here, which would means from my entry price, that would be a massive 45% move with 2x leverage risk, guys. So I want to show you guys what that means, okay? That means that I would make 80% profit, okay, meaning $8,000 on my $10,000 account. And what is my risk here? Well, I, a lot of the time, don't like to use stop losses, okay? So that means that the price, okay, from my entry position would have to drop 50%, okay? So let's see, you know, the price would basically have to go back to the absolute low here, if not below the low, So let's draw this out. Boom, 50% drop. We're talking below the previous low that we put in here, okay? Extremely unlikely, guys. Extremely unlikely. What's more likely is that we just start heading up slowly but surely, and then start breaking out more as we, initially break above this resistance here, above the upper level of the box, 31,300. And then as we start climbing up, right, 32,000, 34,000, we have some resistance there. But basically every step, right, the breakout is going to get stronger. So as soon as we break out of the box, we're going to very quickly get up to 34,000, maybe a little bit of consolidation, and then boom, we're going to see that really big move. As soon as we break 35,000, guys, that move to 42,000 is going to come extremely, extremely quickly. So just, look out for that, because that is really the move you don't want to miss out on, okay? And that is what I've been trying to really share on this channel, share in my Telegram group, because I don't want you guys to potentially miss out on that move, okay? So stay tuned for that. Now, getting back to some of the live trading here, we can see that I am down $11, not a concern because I took that very low risk 2x. And you know what? Let's potentially set our take profit and stop loss here. Let me go ahead and refresh the page. Don't worry, this platform is extremely quick. It's just my connection with the live streaming that's not that fast. There we go. So let me see here. I'm going to set a target price on this trade of, we're going to set something pretty conservative here. We're going to do 32,222. Okay, that's a $660 profit, a nice 13% move. Boom, let's go ahead and set this in here, and I'll be updating you guys regularly on this live trade. Now, of course, I have a different target and a different trade in my Telegram group, guys. I'm sharing this for you here because I want to give you guys some value, but if you really want to know what I'm doing and the exact trades I'm taking, please, guys, invest in your own knowledge. Subscribe to the Right Trader Elite Telegram group. Link down in the description below. Ask me questions about it. Okay, we might have some viewers who are already in the Telegram group. Please share with everyone else how valuable the group has been to you. So like I said, guys, link in the description here and in the chat to the Telegram group, less than $50 a month. If you want to trade like me on Fairdesk, guys, which is absolutely an amazing platform, which you can also go check out my review on my channel that I just made for them. They don't require KYC, okay? You can use a VPN or not, whatever you guys feel like. They're not restrictive, which I can really appreciate. So, and they're allowing me to make these live trades here for you guys on their amazing platform, okay? Everything you need for futures contract trading. You can see the amount of leverage you can set. I can make more tutorials for you guys on this. I'm keeping it at a safe 2x here, but you can go higher. Sometimes I go up to 5x, 6x, 8x, 10x, 15x. It depends on the situation, right? If we're really on strong support and there's not much downside risk, I might take a 10x trade. But right now, I want to keep it safe for you guys here. I want to show you that being patient and keeping it safe with 2x leverage can lead to very successful trades, okay? And we have our take profit that we just set here of 13% gain, $660. You can see how quickly that goes, guys. I'm using 2x leverage, okay? If I were to just kick that up to 4x, which I regularly trade with, that would be a $1,200 plus trade, okay? So I'm really trying to get you guys into the right mindset here for this. And I appreciate all your support. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. So we're just going to see how this plays out. It looks like we're coming back to our support here. Let's go ahead and move on to Ethereum now, okay? Now, why am I focusing so much on Bitcoin in recent weeks? It's because I truly believe that Bitcoin is separate from the rest of the crypto market, okay? I think everybody, I don't care what your opinion is on crypto, everybody who has a crypto portfolio should have at least 50% of their portfolio in Bitcoin. That's not financial advice. That's just my own personal opinion, okay? I want to make that clear. But guys, please keep in mind that if you don't have at least 50 to 60% of your portfolio in Bitcoin, you are probably going to miss out on a bunch of the future gains in years to come, okay? I think Bitcoin is heading towards a $10 trillion plus asset class. That means above 10x gain from here. That's basically a 20x from where we're at now. And that is only the very beginning of when we're going to start going mainstream, guys. Okay? And that's on Bitcoin. I consider it to be basically the safest and most predictable asset we're going to see in our lifetime. Okay? So I always focus on Bitcoin first. There's opportunity in times where Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin. Right now, that's not fully been the case. You can see in the last 7 days. Solana ended up moving quite a bit here. You'll find a few, but overall, right, Bitcoin is really strong and leading the way higher, okay? And I don't want to miss out on that personally. But as you can see here, guys, we are talking about our Ethereum chart. And the interesting thing with this one is that we are still, okay, I had drawn out this Elliott wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? We are still in the upward move. So let me just adjust this a little bit, okay? This 4 here corresponds to when we hit the line, and now we're still in the upwards move, guys. The upward moves tend to be a pretty big move, okay? This last Elliott wave line. So I think this line is going to push us to at least $2,200, but I really think that this is going to be a move to $2,500 for ETH, which is actually about a 40% move for Bitcoin. And now with the added risk of Ethereum, right, we're actually a little bit below that. Now, one of the risks with Ethereum here is that if we lose our support line, okay, I've seen some people talk about this. If we lose this support line, this purple line that I drew right here, we're going to be looking towards a pretty nasty drop to at least down to our support level of $1,200, and we're worried that if we were to lose this previous area right here, kind of, that we could really head a lot lower. That's not the case just yet because we still are uptrending and we still are on this 5th impulse wave, but we never know what can happen. So I do want to warn you guys about that if that were to happen. And overall here, guys, look at the range box, this orange box here, rectangle that I drew in for Ethereum. Take a look at it, okay? Look at where we're trading. The last couple weeks, very, very much on the lower side, if not a little bit below the box. Let's go back to Bitcoin, and this is why I ask you guys to subscribe. It's for your own value. It's for your own benefit. You're watching the best crypto channel on YouTube. I've been here for 8 years now. Look at the difference compared to Bitcoin, okay? Well, Bitcoin, first off, we've been breaking out here every couple weeks, and now we are very strongly in this box, right? Most of the time trading in the middle of this box. So very, very different setup compared to Ethereum there that you just saw. And that is something that I wanted to point out for you guys. Now, the next thing I want you guys to take a look at is going to be some of the news pieces here, okay? There's a lot of drama going on with the SEC and Coinbase. Actually, I think we can just say the SEC is causing a lot of drama for crypto. And that's why, guys, I personally don't even like trading on exchanges like Coinbase. I like to stick with exchanges that don't require KYC and that respect your privacy like Fairdesk, okay? So if that's something that you want to benefit from and you want to move away from exchanges that are not trustworthy anymore like Coinbase, go check out Fairdesk. Link down in the description below and also in the chat of this live stream, okay? Amazing, amazing exchange, fully decked out exchange. And I think you can also very much take advantage of what they have to offer and their amazing trading as well. So if you want to benefit from that, don't want to do KYC, you just want to put your money in the exchange and start trading, Fairdesk is the way to go. Link down in the description below. And like I was saying, okay, Bitcoin is acting a lot stronger than Ethereum. You need to pay attention to that, okay? The market is trying to give you signs of what might happen next. Now, let's see here. We're going to take a look at XRP. Guys, I want you guys to talk in the live stream, okay? Say hi. It's been a while since I have made a live stream. If you want to support me, just leave a like, leave a comment. But I want you guys to interact, okay? I want you guys to ask me questions. Ask me, dig into my brain on what my mindset is when I'm going into these trades. And ask me questions. I want to talk to you guys, okay? So we're going to clean up this XRP chart here. And we have 4 live viewers. Say hi to the stream, guys. And please consider, if you want to take your trading to the next level, you want to become a profitable trader, you want to really know what you're doing, and you want to trade with a community of like-minded people, okay? Join the Right Trader Elite Telegram group. Less than $50 a month, guys. You can easily make that in one single trade, okay? I've talked about how most of my trades are about 5 to 15% gains, and that is with low leverage, okay? If you even kick that up to a couple bits of more leverage, that could be, 30% gains a pop. So I believe that this will pay for itself. If not with the gains that you'll be making trading, just in the amount of value that I'm giving on a daily basis here. We talked about it, right? Trade signals, trading education, charts, risk management principles, news, market analysis, insights, all in the Right Trader Crypto Market Signals Telegram group, okay? Check it out today. Now you can pay with a credit card or with Cash App, guys. I made this so easy for you guys to join, and I really think it's a shame to not join the Telegram group with the amount of value we're having. Everybody who's joined has been extremely happy with you. And now I'm showing you guys on the live streams here, thanks to Fairdesk, my trades live, okay? My trades live. Now, like I talked about, right? I'm not going to give you the full meat of the trades here. That's going to be only for the exclusive members of the Telegram group. But I'm showing you that I am a profitable trader, okay, that I know I'm doing. So we have this trade running. I might close this trade down the line. I might close it during this live stream. I might keep it for the next few live streams. So I might keep it open for a few days, a few weeks. We'll see how it goes. But I did set my take profit here of 13%. And that's a 600 plus gain. So let's stay tuned, okay? Very safe, conservative, 2x leverage. I might do crazier streams in the future, you know, with crazier, higher leverage for fun. But for now, I want you guys to understand the proper mindset of crypto trading, okay? Crypto is volatile. You don't need to go chasing super high leverage necessarily. Now, there's certain strategies around that, right? I have a strategy where I trade 100x sometimes, but I want to show you guys that with being safe and smart, you can make amazing gains, okay? And most importantly, protect your money, keep your money, and while still making those trades on great platforms like Fairdesk, okay? If you want to trade, you're trading to next level, guys. I'm giving you everything here in this live stream transparently. Check out Fairdesk, okay? Amazing exchange, ultra low fees. I'll show you guys the fees here, right? 0.02 maker fee, 0.04 taker fee. You know, that's basically some of the lowest fees you're going to find in crypto trading. It does not get lower than that. And that comes with an amazing platform that respects your privacy, does not require KYC. They also have this really cool thing called the Arena V2. I was playing around with this actually the other day. I'll make a video on this, but this allows you to kind of make minute by minute bets on Bitcoin, okay? So, you know, you can place a certain amount, $1, $2, $5, $10. And, I've just kind of been trying to catch pullbacks with this on the 5 minute, for example, and I've been quite successful actually. But I might show you guys that another day. For now, we're sticking to regular futures trading, okay? And look at that, guys. We're bouncing here as I talked about. I think this is a decent entry level, right? Could have been a little bit better, but we always have more capital. We have another $5,000 to add here if we drop a bit more, okay? So that is why I'm not jumping into it in one shot. I'm keeping it safe here. We're going to enter here because we're around this support zone, which I talked about before, right at this area of around $30,150. So we entered just a little bit above that, but as you can see here, we're bouncing off nicely. And any pullback, I'll add more to the trade, okay? And now let's go ahead and talk about XRP here, guys. XRP is currently still range bound, right? That's pretty much a given with XRP at this point. It loves to trade in ranges for a very long time, okay? And we're kind of laddering up here on XRP. So I am quite bullish on the asset. We can see that initially, right, we were trading in this lower area of between 30 and 40 cents, okay? Afterwards, we broke out about 40 cents, and now we're just trading between 40 cents and around 55 cents, 53 cents. Now, the thing that's nice here is that we're not dropping lower, okay? So we're staying very strong within these ranges, and we've actually been slowly but surely, guys, look at what's happening. We've been rolling up towards the upside, okay? Now, with XRP, these ranges can really last a long time. So I don't want to give you guys, an estimated date or anything on when we might break out, because with XRP, we can't know, okay? A lot of its movement, a lot of the news is based on its lawsuit with the SEC. So just wait for the breakout above 55 cents, and that's going to set us up to our next range for XRP, which is going to be probably up to 75 cents, okay? So then we're going to be trading in this upper range up here. And we'll probably ultimately this year or a little bit early next year, get right under $1, and then that might last a while, right, where we trade in this area, but then we're really going to get that major breakout that everybody's been waiting for. That's what I'm expecting to happen for XRP, okay? Any cryptos you want me to take a look at, let me know down in the comment section below, and I will take a look at the chart and do an analysis for you guys. So just let me know down in the comment section, guys. I need to know. I can't guess which 10,000 altcoins you guys want me to look at. So please, please just leave a comment. And also, if you have any questions about Bitcoin, where the crypto market is heading, you want to know my thoughts on anything, you want to know information about the Telegram group, information about Fairdesk and live trading, let me know, guys. You can see my trade is already recovering nicely here, right? We still have a lot of strength, guys. And why is that? It's because if we go look at the Bitcoin chart here, and this is what I've been talking to you guys about, and I want to say hi to Blue, one of my biggest supporters. Blue, let everybody know in the chat how valuable the Telegram group is. He's been one of our, he was our second subscriber actually on the Telegram group, and I'm sure he can tell you just how much value I'm providing in the group. So if you don't trust me, hopefully you'll trust one of our members as well. Now, still, we have two things going on, guys, okay? Two things. The first bullish thing, okay, is the cup and handle pattern, which right now, we have just started the breakout of this, okay? Just started the breakout above the handle. We are not yet even at the start of this, which is why when I drew out my risk reward, we have this 40% upside potential here with very little resistance, okay? That is the first bullish sign, okay? It's the cup and handle pattern, which I drew out here. The second bullish sign is going to be the purple uptrend line right over here, guys, okay? This purple uptrend line, which has brought us from the bottom around 15, 16K all the way up to where we are now. We have retested it a couple times, granted, but every time we bounced off very strongly off it and saw big moves every bounce, guys. I mean, look at this, 30% bounce, 45% bounce. Right now, we're on a 27% bounce, and depending on what we could go, it could all the way go up to here. So every time we bounced off this trend line, that is the second, okay, bullish sign that we have. We could also add a smaller third bullish sign, okay, which is going to be so our third smaller bullish sign right over here, guys, is going to be our rectangle box that we are holding, okay? We're holding this rectangle box. We're holding the support of $30,000, right? We have not been breaking down below it as of yet. And even if that were to happen, I think we're very quickly going to find support around 29 or 28K. But for now, we've been holding above it, okay? So that means, guys, we have two major bullish momentums that are carrying us higher, okay? And on top of that, guys, we have our third bullish sign, which is the fact that we've been holding support as of right now. So this is three major reasons why the price should move up higher, right? We are in a bullish setup. Do not let, yes, we've seen times before, right, where the crypto market was stronger, right, in bull runs. But right now, guys, we are in a bullish setup, okay? We showed you two reasons why we're currently in a bullish momentum, and a third reason on why we're probably not going to drop that much and move higher, okay? So all three signs are pointing towards the market going higher. I don't want to make a bet right now of us, breaking down or anything like that, because there's no signs of that happening, guys. I'm sorry to say there's no signs of that happening. And yes, right, the crypto news hasn't been the most bullish, right, with the SEC Coinbase lawsuit and the SEC really suing everybody. But you have to keep in mind, guys, Bitcoin specifically, guys, has actually been moving up, or at least holding its gains while all of this has been happening, okay? We also have BlackRock CEO turning around and talking about how he believes Bitcoin is an international asset, which I think anybody who's in crypto knows that. And BlackRock could be putting a lot of money into Bitcoin, right? And they're just one institution around the world, guys. One single institution around the world. I have seen some other interesting bits of news today. One of them was AI has potential to send Bitcoin price over 750K. That's coming from Arthur Hayes, okay? I absolutely have a price target for the next 5 to 10 years of Bitcoin going to somewhere between 600K to $1 million in that time frame. And so we're still so early, guys. I mean, this kind of feels like back when we were at $3,000 for Bitcoin, and yet people are failing to see that, okay? And we have Blue here leaving a comment. Anyone who is interested in short-term trading Nuber Pro, it's worth it for the information and signals 100%. So that is coming for our The Right Trader Elite Telegram group subscriber, Blue here, longtime viewer. Have you got any current positions open, Matthew? Yes, I have positions open, of course, in the live Telegram group, but right now I have this live trade open here on Fairdesk that I'm showing everybody. And we're using safe conservative 2x leverage, guys, and this is looking quite nice. Okay, I like the setup here. I like the strength that we have on the support of $30,150. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times we tested the support. We did not break lower, guys. It's funny because in trading, if you're not able to notice the signs, and you don't want to accept that you buy on support and sell on resistance, you're going to keep falling into the same mistakes. However, guys, you need to see what the market is telling you. We bounced 5 times. We could have broke down below 30K, went crashing down to $25,000 or at least 28,000, and yet we did not. Okay, we're now moving higher in the range. Where do you think we're going to be heading in the next couple hours and days? We talked about it, guys. We're still in the box, so probably around $30,500, $30,600. If I really want to be conservative and safe, sometimes when I trade, right, all I do, very simple, adjust my take profit. I usually set a 1% target, okay, 1 to 2% target. So right now for the video, I want to make a little bit of a bigger gain because I think the price is ultimately heading there. But if I wanted to, for example, all I do is I take my entry price over here, 30,221.5. Okay, I'm doing this on my plus, let's say 2%. A take profit of $30,825 with that, certainly. Okay, but for the video, guys, I want to show you what's possible with trading, even with low leverage. We trade like professional, guys. I'm not some kind of newbie trader here. I've been trading for 8 years, guys. So just watch and learn, okay? If you want to be able to talk to me personally, ask me questions, and learn more about trading, guys, please, Blue just sent a message in the live stream. He's one of our first subscribers in the Telegram group, telling you how much it's worth it. It's not me. It's coming from our own subscribers who have spent their hard-earned money. And $50, guys, is a steal for the amount of value you're getting, okay? Link down in the description below and in the chat to the Telegram group with all of this great stuff that we have in the different channels on the Telegram group, okay? You can speak to me personally, ask me questions, whatever you want. And of course, guys, we have this 2-in-1 combo that I'm telling you guys in the live stream. Go check out Fairdesk. They just sponsored the channel. They are an amazing, no KYC required exchange. I'm doing a live trade. You see the money right here, right now on the exchange. Fairdesk, link to them as well down in the description below, okay? You can sign up by link. You'll get bonuses through that, okay? And extremely low trading fees. And of course, guys, if you want to follow me minute by minute, day by day here, all throughout the day, check out my Telegram group, guys. It will be worth it. I can promise you that. And less than $50 a month, guys. This is an investment in your trading education, and you're getting signals that could yield you potentially a lot more than this little less than $50 a month. Okay, so link to that in the description below. If you want to ask me questions about it or anything else, the chat is open, guys, so don't be afraid. If you also want me to go back to the charts here and look at some of the different altcoins that are there, please, guys, leave a comment down in the description below or in the comment section down below in the live stream which coins you want me to take a look at, guys. Okay, I will gladly do an analysis for you. On some of the positive sides, guys, we should remember that we are still above a $1.22 trillion market cap for crypto. But let's go and see if this news piece is here. Just this week, guys, Apple hit $3 billion in market cap, okay? $3 billion in market cap. So crypto as a whole being at only 1.22 trillion is a bit of a joke, okay? Bitcoin, the strongest asset on earth, better than gold, better than real estate, better than anything you can think of, okay? The scarcest, most limited, and once you understand it, I would personally call it the most stable asset on earth, okay? And you can get in at a $500 million market cap price, okay? I've said I think Bitcoin is heading to $10 trillion plus in just the next 5 to 10 years. That is just the beginning of what we're going to see in our lifetime, okay? I think many people can retire off Bitcoin if they understand it properly. So, not financial advice, it's just my own personal opinion. Blue is asking, Let's see. Oh, I already answered his question. Guys, anybody else in the live stream, please tell me any other charts you want me to take a look at. Okay, there's a bunch of points out there. I just need to know which ones you want me to do an analysis on. Solana, guys, 18% gain in the last 7 days. Pretty strong move. I did not see any specific news regarding that. But you know, a lot of people are liking Solana for a bounce back play here. It's definitely a low price at $15-20. I am not really interested to get into Solana right now. Potentially, you know, if it's lower around $5 or so, maybe. Avalanche got a pretty nice bounce. I still do like Avalanche as a project here. Very strong move in the last 24 hours and the last 7 days. Aave Maker ERC20 tokens here doing quite well. These are DeFi plays, but please keep in mind, guys, DeFi here, we're looking at the DeFi chart of Ethereum, $25,000 billion locked. DeFi is very, very low right now, guys. You know, there's not much DeFi activity, so I don't want to play those games anymore. Okay, I'm sticking to Bitcoin. I'm sticking to the asset that ultimately BlackRock is going to pour most of its money in. That is a fact. That's guaranteed, guys. Filecoin, Tron is one that I do like. Okay, I actually probably like Tron more than Ethereum and Avalanche and of course Solana. I think Tron is a very strong asset here, guys. It's just about to break above 8 cents, $7 billion market cap. And the coolest thing here, guys, is that this is now, I believe, let's go ahead and take a look. Binance Smart Chain at $3.3 billion is an absolute joke, guys. That's pretty cringe. I mean, $3.3 billion locked. This is why I'm trading on Fairdesk, okay? I want to be with an exchange that respects my privacy, that does not require KYC, and that ultimately allows me to trade quickly and get my money in and out, okay? That's what I like to do, and that's why I'm using Fairdesk, okay? I'm going to start using them personally. Yes, they did sponsor the channel, but their exchange is so good, so sleek, so professional, and, you know, like I said, they respect users' privacy, no KYC, that I'm going to start trading with them personally, and you can see this here live on my channel as well. But let me see what I was mentioning, okay? Now, let's go ahead and take a look at Tron's total value locked. Look at that, guys. Tron is now the second biggest, you know, proof-of-stake crypto platform out there, crypto protocol out there, okay? That means that Tron has more value in the system, okay? More value in its DeFi system than Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, Polygon, Optimism, Avalanche, Kronos. None of these, Solana, right, which used to be huge back in the day, look at where it is now, guys. 10 billion down to 287 million. I'm going to hold off on longing Solana for now. Thank you very much. Guys, this is why I tell you guys to subscribe to this YouTube channel. No one else is talking about this because they don't really know what they're talking about, okay? Tron is second to Ethereum right now. Its total value locked is not actually that much less than Ethereum, and it's holding steady, if not increasing, in this bear market, while Ethereum is in a complete slump, guys. I think Tron is going to increase exponentially in terms of total value locked. A lot of people are going to sleep on it, except the Chinese market, okay? And then we're going to have a bunch of new retail investors jumping in when it's already at 50 cents. But I'm telling you guys right now, I'm giving you guys the insider scoop. Tron is being slept on massively, and you know, it's starting to change because we're breaking above 8 cents, and with the amount of total value locked it has, this can't last for that much longer. Okay, it's as simple as that, guys. Litecoin, still a very strong asset, is currently dipping below $100. I think just in a matter of no time here. Let's go ahead and actually take a look at the Litecoin chart. We're gonna head back up higher because we have not hit my target just yet, guys. Or at least I believe we haven't. I haven't checked exactly at the chart, but let's go ahead and take a look. So no, we have not hit my target just yet. We came pretty close, but I think we're going to manage to hold this uptrend line, guys, which means that we're going to keep trending higher and boom, hit that target of $144, $144 or so. That's when I would take profit personally, because we might dip back lower into the range. For now, guys, we're still good. This is actually a pretty nice long opportunity as well, if you ask me. Not financial advice. So let's see here. What was I talking about? I'm talking very, very fast. I lose track of what I was just doing. An analysis of the strongest performing altcoins here in the last 7 days. So like I said, Litecoin is a nice one there. Polygon managing to be pretty stable. It's at a very low price. I do like Polygon long term. I think it's one of the better layer 2 proof of stake assets. Curve, I'm medium about it, right? There was some drama with the CEO. I don't really like when that happens, guys. I want to trade a crypto that doesn't have a CEO. I want to invest in a crypto that doesn't have a CEO. And there is only one, guys. There is only one, and there will only ever be one. It is Bitcoin, okay? It is Bitcoin, BTC, the number one crypto asset out there. And that is where millionaires, billionaires have already been pouring in their money and will only continue to do so. And you know, you need to understand this. Worst performers, a fake version of Bitcoin, Bitcoin SV here, down 12%. That's what you get when you don't invest in Bitcoin. ApeCoin dropping a lot. There was a lot of people talking about how the Ape, Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs have been dropping a lot. The Mutant Ape Yacht Club NFTs, which is a spin-off of the first one, also by Yuga Labs, dropped down to below 5 ETH just in the last 2 weeks. So that was pretty ugly. That's probably why we're seeing a little bit of a dump there. Neo dumping, VeChain dumping. So a lot of the random smaller altcoins are, kind of getting wrecked here. Bitcoin Cash getting wrecked after its pump. Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is actually still holding up quite well. I respect Ethereum Classic, okay. Ethereum, there's a lot of stuff that I think is controversial and that I don't like about it. Ethereum Classic at least stuck true to what crypto is supposed to be. Now let's see how my trade is going. Okay, we're still looking fine here, guys. I expected this trade to be pretty slow because we are range bound, like we talked about. But this is not the end of this trade. Okay, I might add more. I'll keep you guys updated on it. Also in future live streams. But we are ultimately range bound here, so it could take some time for a major, stronger move to happen, so to say. And you know what? Here, let's actually kick up the target, guys. Let's kick up the target to 33,800. Boom. That's going to be a massive 23% move. $1,100 profit. We're going to keep this running for a little bit longer. One thing that I wanted to mention, because a lot of people ask me this, also people in the Telegram group, and guys, in the Telegram group, all of my time and effort is dedicated to you guys, okay? If you want to ask me questions, 10 questions a day, I will gladly answer them. It is the value I'm providing you as a subscriber of the Telegram group, so that's less than $50 a month. A lot of people ask me, what's the difference between mark price and last price? It's something that confused me as well as a trader for a long time. Last price is the last traded price on the crypto exchange that you're trading on, okay? So right now, the last price on Fairdesk is $30,197.5 for Bitcoin USDT contracts. The mark price, okay, is what you see with the little flag here, okay? That is the current price of Bitcoin spot, okay? Spot Bitcoin market price is 30,197.6. Now on good platforms, there's a very little difference between the spot price and the mark price, okay? If you're on bad exchanges, sometimes there's bigger spreads, but if you're on a good exchange like Fairdesk, it's a very close match. However, when trading, most of the time, right, when trading futures contracts, I always set it to last price. I want to be trading the futures contract price specifically, so that's what I'm focused on. Last price is my take profit. Boom. We just set a little bit higher of a take profit because, why? Simply because when we break out, okay, above this, we have a lot of room to run higher. Okay, I'm actually even being a little bit safe here with my take profit area. But I want to catch the breakout, so I don't want to stop myself midway through the breakout. Doesn't really make much sense to do though. Do that. 30,200. We're moving up higher as we speak. Okay, there is no telling, guys. Within a snap of a finger, guys, Bitcoin could start breaking out above 31,300, and that would potentially set us up all the way to $42,000. It could be some news about BlackRock, some random bullish news, no news at all, right? Just a matter of time and accumulation. So I don't want to miss out. I want to be set long to catch the move, guys. And like I said, I want to give a huge shout out to Fairdesk, okay? No KYC, amazing exchange, extremely low fees. You can see the fees right here, 0.02 take maker, 0.04 taker, extremely low fee, guys. We have, of course, up to very high leverage, no KYC required. You can use a VPN if you want to. They respect your privacy. And you have a bunch of different stuff here. USD futures contracts. If you want to trade futures like me, of course, you have different coins, but I like to stick to Bitcoin, right? It's the most predictable one in my opinion. And any drop is pretty minimal on Bitcoin, okay? If you're trading some random altcoin, like let's just say Solana or ApeCoin, Bitcoin SV, I don't know what, you can do that. Okay, there's times where I trade altcoins as well, but these coins can drop 10, 15, 20, 50% in a day. When I'm trading with $5,000, I don't want to take that risk personally. Okay, I want to know what I'm trading. I want to know the asset that I'm trading, and I do know Bitcoin. Okay, so guys, like I said, link to FairDesk down in the description below and in the chat of this live stream. If you want to sign up to the Right Trader exclusive Telegram group with all the good stuff that we talked about, okay? Trade signals, and you're in a group with a like-minded amount of people that talk about crypto, talk about what they're doing, their trading plans, trading education, where I post a bunch of technical analysis patterns, relevant information about charts, news, okay, live news, risk management. Okay, you need to understand, guys, if you lose 20% of your trade, 50% of your trade, how much do you need to make back to get back to break even? Okay, well, that's something that I posted down in the risk management section of the Telegram group. You can access that if you want to, understand how to properly manage your risk, but I'm pretty sure most of you won't know that. Okay, if I tell you if you lose 10% on a trade, how much do you need to make back on the next trade to recover that loss? Crickets. Okay, you guys don't know because you guys did not study properly. You guys need to learn this stuff, guys, if you want to be a profitable professional trader. Okay, and of course, market analysis and insights. This is where I post live detailed charts. Okay, charts that I am not sharing on my YouTube channel with detailed captions to explain to you guys what's happening in the crypto markets. Okay. And of course, when I add, all my trades are explained. When I add into trades are explained, everything, guys. So that's the Right Trader Telegram group. You can sign up today with a credit card or Cash App in a matter of seconds for less than $50 a month, guys. One single trade. Look at the trade that I have open right now, guys. And it's going into the profit here as we speak. Target of $1,100. This being extremely safe for you guys on YouTube. Most of the time I trade between 4 and 5x, so that would increase those profits by double right there. Okay, over $2,200. I'm asking for less than $50 a month, guys. Okay, a couple coffees, and this is paid for. And this is something that could change your life. This is something that could allow you more income, passive income, being smarter with your investments, smarter with your trades through proper education from someone who's been in the space for 8 years, guys. 8 years. You've seen my charts. I've been here since the beginning. I've been here when crypto started at $2,000, went up to 20K, went back to $3,000. I've seen it all, guys, and I want to share my knowledge and experience with all of you guys, okay? So I'll give you guys a few more minutes here. If you have any questions on any altcoins, you want me to do a technical analysis on any of them. I covered Bitcoin, ETH, Litecoin, and XRP in this video, but if there's any others, just please let me know down in the comment section below. Other than that, guys, we have links to FairDesk exchange for crypto futures trading down in the description below, and of course the Telegram group. Link to that in the description below as well. So just want to give you guys a minute or two here for anybody who just joined the stream. Any other altcoins that you want me to take a look at, please let me know. In the meantime, I'm just going to scroll through some news here to see if there's anything new. BRICS nations, Russia, many countries are moving to gold-backed currencies. Okay, now Bitcoin, make no mistake, is a much better asset, stronger asset than gold. So that's not a threat to Bitcoin. It's just a threat to the US dollar, guys. Like I said, the SEC, a whole bunch of talk. Guys, the SEC is irrelevant to Bitcoin, okay? What is the SEC not relevant to? Well, it's not relevant to exchanges with horrible reputations like Coinbase, FTX, or I don't know else who's not respecting people's privacy, not trading properly. Okay, that's why I use FairDesk, and that is who the SEC is a threat to. And of course, right, they're a threat to shady altcoins. Okay, shady altcoins, shady shitcoins. That will ultimately not perform or go to zero. Okay. Bitcoin is not that, guys. Bitcoin is not like the rest of crypto, okay? It is completely and utterly separate from the rest of the crypto market space, right? It is a different asset. It is a different commodity than the rest of them, okay? And that has to be understood, guys. That separation has to be in your mind so that you understand why most cryptos will never hit $1 trillion market cap, and why Bitcoin will probably break $10 trillion market cap in our lifetime. Just to start, guys, 20, 30 trillion also coming down the line, okay? But that is the difference. With that being said, if you're a trader or whatever, I will gladly cover any altcoin chart that you want me to, or any question that you might have for me. Just let me know down in the comment section below, guys. Now is the time before we finish this live stream. So we have 4 live viewers here. Make sure to hit that like button, guys, if you haven't already. I really would appreciate the support. This is something new on my channel, right? Live trading, which can be seen right over here, right? We're just letting this trade play out, not really toying with it, right? When I put my trades, I like to set it and forget it, guys. I saw my entry. I saw we bounced 5 times off support and did not break lower. I entered the long, and I still have $5,000, so I only entered with 50% of my account. Still have $5,000 to average down here if we break down to 29,000, 28,000. And of course, guys, with that being said, we're using 2x leverage. So we're being extremely safe. We're trading like professionals, okay? Which is what what crypto is supposed to be, with no KYC requirements. You can sign up today, join, send in USDT, and start trading very quickly, okay? And that is the type of exchange that I like to be trading on personally. And I think, nowadays, right, there's so many exchanges that require KYC, especially if you're in the US or Canada, and exchanges that have drama all over them, like Coinbase, Kraken. Why bother with that when you have a very, very powerful and robust, professional, clean exchange like Fairdesk available for you guys? And they have a bunch of other stuff: spot trading, futures, promotions with bonuses. They have savings to get some yield on some of your crypto. And of course, the Arena V2, which is pretty cool. I'll show you more videos on that soon. But yes, guys, this is my trade. We're down $3 right now. But of course, we're targeting that $1,180 profit level. $33,800. Okay, and actually, little pro tip. Let's see here. We'll keep it as that for now. It's looking good, guys. Looking good. You can see we have been uptrending here since we retested it. Okay. So basically, we had a whole bunch of tests of the support level, got it bounce higher, fell back down a bit. We did not come as low, so we put in a higher low here, and now we're trending higher along the line. Probably going to head back to this 30,230 area and could see a breakout. Okay, that would send us higher up in this rectangle here. Can go ahead and zoom in on the 1 hour chart so you see exactly, just how range bound we are right now, guys. This is what we're trading in. So not the funnest time to trade, right? Typically when I trade in these, I like to take lower risk target levels. So sometimes I'll just target like a 0.5% move, a 0.1% move. I might do hedge trades. This is more complicated stuff, guys. I want to keep it simple for you guys for the time being. But there's different options that you can do, right? It's important to know which pattern you're in the market, okay? If it's going up, sideways, etc. So, guys, I did not see any more comments, I think, on any other charts. Maybe you're just all BTC maxis like me. I did not see any other comments on any other altcoins that you wanted me to take a look at. With that being said, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Take a step in the right direction towards profitable trading. Okay, this is a great time to do so. Bitcoin is at a nice level. Fairdesk, link to Fairdesk in the description down below. You can sign up now, get a bonus with my link down in the description below in this video, so you can start trading futures like me. And of course, guys, if you want to join me along with my trades, minute by minute insights and analysis, join the therighttrader Telegram group. Okay, less than $50. Sign up today. Link in the description below, guys. You can pay with any credit card. It'll take you just seconds, and I will add you guys to the Telegram group. So I hope to see, I know there's 4 people watching. I hope to see some of you guys in the Telegram group right after this, guys. If you go ahead and sign up now, I'll make sure to add you within the next 30 minutes to an hour. I'll add you inside the Telegram group. All you have to do, right, is put in your Telegram username right here, okay? Telegram is an extremely quick and private messaging app that you should probably have if you don't have it already. But yeah, just drop your Telegram username here when you check out, and I'll go ahead and add you guys, and you can join the wealth of information and the like-minded community in a matter of minutes. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Have a great day.